We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off on Jones Field number 2 for qualification match number 56. On the blue side of we have VV Robots, who is launching and cycling through from that ramp over there, while their teammate is doing the same from afar. Over on the red side, they have filled up that ramp and have both left the launch zones to earn them some leave points. Back in the move, How is on the move, preparing to be in position.
Pick up your controllers.
As we enter the driver-controlled period, there is about a 40-point gap between the blue and red alliances. And we are off with How emptying that ramp as the blue alliance does the same, preparing to cycle very quickly. Blue Alliance has their strategy down, with Royal Engineers staying in that far launch zone and picking up from the human player, while their teammate VV Robotics does the same, except they cycle through from their ramp to pick up those artifacts. Over on the red side, we have a similar strategy going, with How also cycling from that ramp, while their teammate Sonic Eagles is struggling to get into play while they are playing some defense against the Royal Engineers. To no avail, Royal Engineers continues to cycle, going back and forth, picking up all of those artifacts and giving the Blue Alliance a healthy lead as we enter the final minute of match play. It appears that there is some issue with the Sonic Eagles' intake as they are struggling to pick up those artifacts, while the Red Alliance, their teammate How, continues to do as much as they can to shorten that difference between the two teams' points. Blue side, the two teams from Romania are continuing to keep with their strategy, although they are now facing that defense from Sonic Eagles against the Royal Engineers as we enter endgame. The Blue Alliance and Red Alliance now have that choice to make. Are they going to fill up the ramp, or are they going to continue to cycle through those artifacts to try to get as many points as possible? With 2 seconds left, it appears the Blue Alliance is sharing the
Scores going up on the board. It's the Blue Alliance. The All-Romania Alliance takes the victory by a score of 375 to 210. 5 ranking points means Royal Engineers will move into the number 6 spot, and that will displace How at number 4 down to